Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WooCommerce Marketplace Mangopay Payment Gateway plugin. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how the WooCommerce Marketplace web store customers would be able to choose the Mangopay Payment Gateway so as to make the payment for the orders that they have placed within your web store. And we'll also be showing you how the admin can set up this particular plugin from the admin backend by making the initial configuration settings. And apart from that, we'll also show you the customer end wherein the customers would be able to make the KYC, or they can do the KYC, and how the sellers can also do the same. So let's get ahead. And right now I'm at the login page for my WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace, and we'll be showing you the Mangopay Payment Gateway integration that we have done for the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So before we proceed further and login, and I'll be showing you the customer flow wherein the customer can make use of this particular payment method for making the payment using the cards or using the direct debit as well. So before that, let me give you a small gist. So basically, the plugin is an ideal end-to-end payment solution for the marketplace owners and the sellers, as it enables the platform to accept online payments via multiple methods, including the cards and the direct debit. And this particular plugin can split the payments within the multiple sellers in one go, and it also has the feature to hold the funds in escrow for the on the segregated accounts in trust. Apart from that, it also simplifies the payments as the payouts are made automatically there. So now let me go ahead and let me place an order using the multi-vendor marketplace Mangopay Payment Gateway plugin. So for that, I'll just log into my account first. So after entering my username password, I'll just tap here on the login button, and that would take me to the customer account. So here I'm at the customer's account, and the customer name is Peter Doe, as you can see. And now let's go to the shop page where all of the products are being listed out by the marketplace vendors. And let's add a few products into the cart. I'll just add the Flying Ninja and the Happy Ninja to my cart. So here you can see that I've added two products, and let's tap here on the checkout button, and that will navigate us to the checkout wherein we'll be able to enter the details and can view the particular order summary as well. So my details are already filled because I'm a customer within the WooCommerce Multi-Vendor Marketplace web store, and here you can see that we have the Mangopay or the marketplace Mangopay payment method here that can be chosen by the customers. So just remember this name here, because while we're configuring the plugin from the admin backend, that's the payment plugin. So at that time we can set the title, and after the title we can also set up the other details as well. So tapping that up basically provides the customers to make use of the card or direct debit. If I choose direct debit, then I can choose from SoFort and the Gyro Pay. Otherwise, if you have a card, and you can make use of any of the cards that have been listed here. And the admin can also set up the available cards and the available direct debit options that the customers can choose from within the marketplace Mangopay Payment Gateway. So we'll just choose the Visa or the MasterCard, and thereafter we'll be tapping here on the place order button. Now this would navigate the customer to the Mangopay account there, and there you'll be able to see the amount to pay, that's 30 euros. And here the customer can enter his card number, the expiration date of the card, and the CVV number. So let me add these details first, and then we'll be continuing further. So I've just entered my Visa card details here, and now I'll just tap here on the pay button, and the Mangopay would be processing the amount that is to be paid. That's for the 30 euros. And as soon as the order has been placed, we'll be redirected to the web store again. That's your WooCommerce Multi-Vendor Marketplace web store, and here you can see the order number is 205 and the total for 30 euros, and the payment method that was chosen by the customer, that's the marketplace Mangopay. and here also you can see the number of products and the payment method once again. So that was the customers end. Apart from that, the customers can also go to my account section to check the orders that have been placed using the Mangopay Payment Gateway itself. And here we have the 205 order number. If I touch here on the view button, then the order details would be shown up, as you can see here right now, along with the payment methods. That is the marketplace Mangopay Payment Gateway. So this was the customers flow, and apart from that, the customers can basically set up the Mangopay know your customer data. And let me go to that. So for that, on the left hand side panel of the customer, just tap here on the Mangopay KYC option that we have, and that would bring up the my account settings. And from here, the customer can enter their birth date, and they can choose the document type from identity proof or the address proof for the document type. So you can choose identity proof, and then you can upload a file for your identity proof as well. Otherwise, if you choose it as address proof, then you can also upload the required document file for the address proof. Then you just need to tap here on the submit button, and then this particular thing, that's the KYC for the customer, would be validated itself. And you can also choose to view the uploaded file. So for that, you just need to tap here on the uploaded file link that you can see, and that will display the required document file that the customer has uploaded for the KYC at the Mangopay itself. So if I tap here on the uploaded file, you can see the respective ID that I've just uploaded. So this is just a demonstration for the same. So according to the chosen document type, you can let view the document that you uploaded. Apart from that, we'll now go to the seller end, but before that, let me tell you that this was the customer flow, and I hope it helped you in understanding the flow. So the customer just needs to log in, he needs to do the Mangopay KYC, then he can add any of the products into the cart and choose the marketplace Mangopay using the options that are the card and the direct debit. And depending upon the selection, he can make it checkout and can place the order using the card or the direct debit itself. And the same would be reflected in the order details as well under the payment method chosen. Now let me take you to the seller end. For that, I'll just log out of my account first, and then I will be logging into the seller account. So right now I'll enter my login details for the seller. That's the John Doe. So here you can see I'm at the dashboard for the sellers, and so on this dashboard here, because a seller is also a customer in the first place, or a vendor is also a customer in the first place. So under the marketplace block here, we have the customer details. So likewise, the sellers can also set up their Mangopay KYC docs, and they can also set up the Mangopay bank info for receiving the amount within their bank accounts, and they can also set up the Mangopay wallet info. So for getting the credentials for the Mangopay itself, what you can do is I have attached the user guide within the description below. You can check that to find all of the required steps to generate one. So for example, you can navigate to the how to get client API, Mangopay ID and the wallet ID. So we have shown all of these steps there one by one, and accordingly you'll be able to generate the details, and thereafter you'll also be able to log into your Mangopay account so as to check the payment information that has been received for your orders. Now let's go to the Mangopay KYC section. I'll just open all of three one at a time. So here we are on the section that's the my account section. So under that, the seller will enter his birth date, the document type for his account, and the document file can be uploaded. So under this, the KYC is done for the sellers as well. Now let's go to the other section. So this one is the other section, that is the Mangopay bank info. So here the seller needs to choose the type for this, for the account, whether it's IBAN, GB, US, Canada or others. Accordingly, you can choose that. Then you can set up your account number for your bank account. Then you can set up the American Bankers Association code number. Then you can set up your owner name, address, city, region, and the owner postal code. And lastly, you'll be choosing your owner country from the drop down here, and then you just need to tap on the submit button. This is the initial configurations for the sellers as well. Without setting up the bank info, the amount won't be able to be deposited. And lastly, we have the Mangopay wallet info. Let's open that up, and from here the sellers would be able to see all of the amount that has been added to their Mangopay wallet amount. So this is the amount for the orders that have been placed for the sellers product. And Mangopay wallet transactions can also be seen here, as you can see, along with the reference, whether it was the direct debit using the bank wire or the other payment methods for the Mangopay itself, and the status along with the date. And from here the sellers would be able to transfer the wallet amount to their banks by just entering the amount and tapping here on the transfer to bank button, and this is instantaneous. All right, so these were the three different options under the seller account panel. That was the seller Mangopay KYC, seller Mangopay bank info, and the wallet info for the sellers itself. Now let's go to the admin backend panel and let's see what different initial configuration settings are there for this particular plugin. So here I'm at the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace backend. So I've entered my username password and I'll be logging into my multi-vendor marketplace web store backend panel. And after that, so after you've successfully installed this particular plugin, the web store admin needs to navigate through WooCommerce and then tap here on the settings option that you can see, and that brings up these different tabs. Now navigate to the payments tab, and that will display all of the payment methods that are available within your store. So under this section you can enable disable any of the payment methods and can manage the initial configuration. So here we have the Mangopay marketplace plugin, and here we can tap here on the manage button that you can see for the respective payment method on the right hand corner, and that will bring up the respective payment method configuration settings. And here you can see that we have the option to enable or disable this particular payment gateway within our WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace store. So if you check that, it will be enabled. If you uncheck that, it will be disabled. Then we have the title. So this title is visible at the checkout page to the customers. I've already shown you within the customer workflow. And the description, that is pay via Mangopay, is also visible to the customers at the checkout time. And this is the description that the user basically sees during the checkout time. Then we have the sandbox mode. So if you check this enable Mangopay sandbox option, then the plugin will be working in the testing mode. Otherwise, if you uncheck this particular option for the sandbox, then it would be running in the live mode, or what we say as the production mode. Then we have the client ID, client API key, Mangopay ID, and the wallet ID. So I've already told you how to get these four credentials. So for that, you just need to access the what you need to do is you need to create your Mangopay account initially as a client, and then you'll be having your four details, that is the client ID, client API, Mangopay ID, and the wallet ID. I've added the user guide within the description below, so you can check the complete steps to generate all of these four things here. Now let's hop to the supported payment methods via card. So here the admin can set up the available methods that would be available for the customers to make use at the checkout time for making the payment. So you can choose the card types that you want to enable. To enable, just check. If I've unchecked, then this would not be available to the customer, so you need to check the options or the card types, and those card types would be accessible to the customers. And similarly, for the direct debit, you can set up the SOFOT or the Gyro Pay as required. So if you want to enable the Gyro Pay for the direct debit, then you can enable it. Otherwise, for the other ones, you can uncheck to disable them. So right now, if we see, I've enabled all of the available card types and the enabled Gyro Pay card only for the direct debit. So if I go to the checkout now, then all of these card types, and under the direct debit will only have the gyro pay. If I check this one as well, then we have the SOFOT and gyro pay under the direct debit types. So that was how we can make the initial configuration for the Mangopay payment gateway itself. And after the orders have been placed, the marketplace admin would be able to find all of the Mangopay orders by navigating through marketplace and then marketplace orders. And from here the admin can view and can also make a refund to the customers. So after we have reached the Mangopay orders section, let me open that in another window. It's taking a bit of time there. Alright, so here we are on the Mangopay orders now. So you can view any of the orders by tapping here on the view link. And apart from that, the admin can also make the refunds as well. So tapping the view button brings up the edit order page. So let's go to that. And here the admin can update the or can update the order, like the email, invoice, order details to the customer. Order actions can be performed. Apart from that, the admin can also make a refund to the customer. So for that, the admin just needs to tap here on the refund button, and then under the quantity, the admin can set up the quantity that needs to be returned, and thereafter the admin will find the refund amount auto-fill depending upon the quantity to be refunded. The admin can set up the reason for the refund, and the admin can manually refund the amount to the customer and then can transfer it on his own. Otherwise, to transfer the amount back to the customer's account, the admin just needs to tap here on the refund via Mangopay button, and the amount would be instantly refunded to the customer's account. So that was how the admin can view the orders under the marketplace Mangopay orders. All the orders having the payment method as the Mangopay, and how the admin can view and make a refund to the orders that have been placed for his products within the web store itself. So that was much about the WooCommerce marketplace Mangopay Payment Gateway plugin, and I hope it helped you out. And if you still have any questions, queries, or suggestions regarding the plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.